Hi friends, in this video we are going to see for the Excel how to highlight for the certain criteria. Okay, this is what the document for contains for all the staff. Okay, so from here we need to identify it on particular days when it will be off and when it will be for public holiday. Okay, and when they are taking for sick leave. Okay, we need to identify. So I am highlighting the cells from starting to end, that is before the remarks. So once we highlight for the different color, based on the color we can know how many days they took off. Okay, that is what we are going to see from here. And based upon some other criteria, because I am having this kind of criteria, if you are having some other criteria also, you can do it as the same format here. Okay, what you have to do right now, which cells you want to color. Okay, those field you can select it, because I want to color until total kilometers. Okay, from start to end. From the remarks only I'm going to type it. So from here you can go for conditional formatting, as well as you can click for the new rule, because you are going to set for the rule. Based on the rule only it will come automatic color. Then you can click for the last use the formula button. Okay, from here you have to set the formula. Okay, equal to $ab for the field name. Okay, because it is ending for triple A, you're typing for off under the remarks field, correct? So that field name, call it as AB. That is what we are going to type it here. Equal to, you are typing open quotes as off. Okay, let's see why I have mentioned for AB4. You can go up. It is going up. So you can the starting window will be the fourth row, correct? So that is what the fourth row, the field name will be AB. That's the reason I am typing like this. Okay, now we are entering. You can click for the new formula. Okay, lot of things will be there. For a particular cell you want to highlight, list of formulas will be there, but I am going to select this one. And from here you can type it equal to $AB4, because the row number will be a 4. That's the reason I'm typing. If the row number will be a 5, in a sense you have to type it as 5. Okay, but from here it will be a 4. So I'm typing as 4. Before you have to select the cells and whichever cells you want to highlight. Okay, after that only you have to fix the formula. Then you can go for format and which color you want to choose. Okay, based upon your wish you can choose any color. Okay, so from here I have chosen for one color and give it as okay. Then give apply as okay. That's it, because of we set it from here as this color. If you're typing under the remarks as off, automatically that color will show. See here. Okay, for the selection you did until here, so even if you're typing here also it will come. So the selection should be very important. How many cells you have selected, until that it will show those kind of colors if you're typing as off. So you can set many criteria like this. Example, I'm going to set another criteria for public holiday. Okay, because for the employees they are taking many kind of leaves. Okay, from here I will show only for the 2 criteria. If you have more criteria, same way you have to do it. Again you have to select for the range. Then you can click for conditional formatting, new rules, and same the formula bar equal to AB $AB4. Okay, same 4 only it is starting. So equal to open quotes as public holiday. For the code we are using PH. Okay, PH means public holiday. That's the reason I'm putting. So whatever the criteria you have, based on the you can select. So I am selecting another color for public holiday. Okay, so just you can type it here PH and it will automatically show for respective color. So such kind of field you don't want to enter any values. Why? Because we could know this color belongs to public holiday. Okay, under the remarks just you can type it as public holiday. This is a way you have to set for the criteria, and based upon that if you have some other also you can set the criteria. And if you have any doubt and all, you can leave a comment box. I will help you out. Okay, I think this will be helpful for everyone else. And if this is useful for you, you can like this respective video and subscribe my channel.